Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by fan my brother Libiso Kema.
TV. Yeah, no, ki team ya gone through. Ki team ya go high. Charity begins at home.
So no kilo coming.
Toma go high. No, we came to play.
Yes.
There's no way that we can come here. Return at that point.
Yeah.
They really fought for that 3 points.
Yes.
We gave our all.
Yes.
Yeah, it was a beautiful game, Stibo.
Yeah.
First half, we looked very balanced. We looked like a balanced team.
Yes.
And we had the appetite to win the game.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it was one of those nights whereby it was not to be.
Yes.
Yeah, we came for 3 points, but it didn't happen.
Yeah.
But anyway, we continue. There's still more games to play for.
Yeah.
So we're hoping for the better going forward.
That's right.
So Makosi, this coach that they brought, and
Nabi.
Yeah, they say his name is Nabi, and this coach is overrated, man.
He's overrated.
And it's worrying some.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have quality here at home.
Yes.
Coaches that can come in and assist.
Yeah.
The team in crisis.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the name of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
It's worrying some, Stibo.
Yeah.
Because they are cooking.
Yeah.
They are cooking expired food. It's worrying. It's worrying some, Stibo, that someone came and the expectation is so much.
Yeah.
And where else there are no results. I mean, for the first time in the history of Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs now they have 8 losses. 8 of them. In one season, it never happened before.
How many throws?
We had coaches in the name of Athazwan. We had coaches before in the name of Gavin Hunt. Coaches that were doing very well, but the supporters, they were buying faces because this one is from elsewhere. Then they are so patient with him. And where else is cooking the expired food? There's nothing that is going to come out of that kitchen.
Never winning it.
Nothing, man. Even go weekend. Go weekend will know what disaster.
You can see, it's a big team. There's no way you can talk about football without mentioning Kaizer Chiefs.
So there's
no way. Aliko Bolo Kaizer Chiefs. It's taking long to talk about Kaizer Chiefs.
This happiness,
nothing else.
This happiness.
Umagezi lokho bashaya sonke isikhathi akazi umagezi ribagabaga na
happiness is going to short live. It's to the Shayers by favor. Come to support Pagani. Ushawa Magezi was by favor.
And manje uyakuloko shedini manje sebisa amasola manje. That's why manje
if you can't beat them, join them. We are the example.
So Steve,
okay, continue. Okay, Tibos, let him continue about Kaizer Chiefs.
Yazi ufana nobani lo muntu lo. Ufona nale out yabo lelo bathu main B. Angisho main B na lokudlala iChippa United ugcoka iskipa seChippa United. So even lo angisho athi yasekhaya. Angisho athi uphuma eLimpopo man lo. So it's not like ukuthi uFavor Magezi. He's supporting the home team where aphuma khona.
This is
you understand? Manje why umen B makagcoka iChippa United abakhulumi next yobathi akunaflopo is fine fanele si support mara lona makagcoka iF ekhaya what's wrong about this what's wrong about this why bakhuluma umen B ugcoka iChippa United from head to bottom agcoka iChippa United ahambe ngesigaqaqata what's wrong about this one what's wrong about this one
Okay, first, go on.
what's wrong about this one
Let me answer then.
don't tell me
Let me answer then. Let me
tell
answer.
me B first
If now I'm from Limpopo, go on. If now I'm from Limpopo, then ngispana maybe Mpumalanga, which means ngidlala umsali Limpopo. Idlamela ke Mpumalanga ke nyaka umsali yomo.
No, you must
I have to get another woman.
go and tell me B tell me B
go and address.
go and tell me B first
You cannot
tell me
cross your
B
heart.
first
Your heart must be straight forward.
tell me B
Start with
Nice bankers, you confuse yourself.
tomorrow
You confuse yourself.
tomorrow Orlando Pirates is going to bona
Tomorrow,
Steve bona tomorrow Orlando Pirates is going to play Chippa United Man B is going to wear Chippa United
uyabona win eKaizer Chiefs idla ebanu bafile enhlizweni labantu abasana net
Shapa Kosi, Shapa! It was a fluke. It was a
you are not fair you are not fair you are not fair you are not fair
Sure.
you are not fair